Free website usually means a trap. A trial that ends, a template you never finish, a card you have to give first. Meanwhile, the bookings you never hear about go to the nail salon down the road. This has none of that, and I will show you every step so you can see where the catch would be. You will not need a designer, and you will not need me. Your name, what the salon does, your town, and how to contact you. That is the entire form, and there is no sign-up standing in front of it. What happens next is the part worth watching. A salon gets its own sections, its own words, and its own photographs. Here is the nail salon site. Everything above the fold is yours, and the image moves with the cursor. Not the right color for a salon? Choose another, and the site follows at once. Everything on this page works like that. Click any line, type over it, and it is changed. Your prices, your words, your hours. Worth saying plainly. This is not a mock-up to hand a developer later. Scroll it and you pass services and prices, the portfolio, who you are, your team, room for reviews, your hours and where to find you, then a form taking real appointments. Do not want one of those sections? Switch it off. Want it to look different? All of it is yours to change. Publish it under whatever address you like. A working nail salon website, live at your own address, at no cost at all. Underneath the page is the part that does the work. Appointments in a calendar. Every client with history. One inbox instead of a phone, an app, and a notebook. The smart chat handles the question you would otherwise answer twice a day. It has your services, your prices, and your hours already. Reviews, the team, and the settings behind the lot. All of it filled in by the description you gave, and none of it charged for. Here is the public nail salon site. Fast, sensible on a phone, honest about the work, with a booking form at the foot that takes a real appointment. And it is a real page on a real address, which means it can be found, shared, and printed on a card. That is money that would have gone to the salon down the road. Instead, it is in your diary. You have been texted, and so have they. Here is where it landed. The booking is in the diary with the name and the number attached, which is the difference between a page and a business. The version of your nail salon that takes bookings while you sleep is 3 minutes away and free. Go and start it. Instinctor.